Alright, so what's up guys? Krysta and I are off to grab her another car. She's been looking at this type of car for a while now, and so we finally found one, which is a really good deal. Hopefully it's clean, because normally these have rust.
And people can't take the best pictures, so
Yeah.
not really many detail shots.
Yeah. The only downfall is it's red. I don't like red, but we plan on painting it. It's got the motor we want, so pretty exciting.
I'm excited.
Yeah. Surprisingly, it is an hour drive, but still well worth it. I'm willing to drive 3 hours, 4 or 5 hours for this car, so we're on to do this. So you guys will have to wait and see. Well, we just arrived. All these red cars. Let's check it out. Ooh, it's got a little rust right here. Big rust. Oh man, that's gonna be loud. Whew, it's gonna need work. Eyeing it. Nice little OK Honda. Oh yeah, rear disc brakes. Krysta's excited.
What the hell?
What?
Just like that.
Yeah, baby. It's got a B16. Maybe too dark to see. Yeah. Oh man. It's got skunk tooth coilovers. So this is an actual full skunk tooth exhaust, which is crazy. Wow. The interior is super clean. Check that out. No elbow tears. That's a first. Woo woo! We just paid him. You excited? Time for me to work. But yeah, I'm excited for this, man. Pretty cool car. Krysta might want to boost it. Oh, you got a new cat with it.
Yep.
Just put him in. This is how we got Tyson. Oh gosh. All right, we are outie here. Look at the license plate. BOGO.
Whisper to me softly. I can see the edge and I hope that you're falling for me. I don't need to fake. Hold me when I shake. Laying at your side and I burn like a naked flame. So catch me when I fall. Darling, don't you know I'm not scared at all. So don't let go. Catch me when I fall. Catch me when I fall. You're falling.
Oops, I farted.
Hey, farted.